everybody, welcome back to Mojo Grip Mike here. Today I just want to give you an update, show you what we've been up to. I've been here a couple of days. I'm back in the hangar and I want to show you what's left of the airplane to build. If you saw my previous video, you know that I'm also here to get some flight training, more importantly flight training to transition into the TSi. So I'm going to turn the camera around right now and show you what's going on. Stay tuned. So a lot of you have been asking what's left. Well, not a lot. First of all, big shout out to Gino. He is constantly on that engine and making sure everything is tied up right. So thank you so much, sir. But this is the plane, but more importantly, these are all the other components of the plane. The last update that I gave you guys, the plane went into the paint shop, and this is the result. And so what you see are all the other components from the tail. Have the horizontal stabilizer, the elevators, everything have been painted here also. Some of the fairing for the back here, and this is the main fuselage also painted. I can't tell you how happy I am with the way this paint work came out. It's so good, and I'm very excited about it. I was very nervous in picking it out, but I'm really happy how it came out. So this is the main fuselage here. There's a lot of stuff to go through. Now guys, if you saw one of the videos I shared recently, you saw my panel being installed by Midwest Panel. This is that same panel, okay? So technically it was installed, but we uninstalled it, and this is the backbone of it. And it's good that it's here so I can show you just the type of awesome work that Midwest Panel does. So what they do is they build the panel for you based on your specification, which they did with me. And then they come out, they install it for you. They plug in, basically do all the wire harness work, and then you could take it from there. And so this is my panel, guys. So we've got two dual screens, one, and radios here, backup, G5 will go there. But so right now it's been uninstalled, but let me show you. So you see here, see all the wires there. Now it looks like just a bunch of spaghetti bunched together, but this makes the work a little easier. Actually, this makes the work 100 times easier because Midwest Panel have done all the complicated stuff, and whenever we put the panel back on, we just plug and play. All those ends there is just plug in and play. That's it. All the devices and equipment are already in the boxes here, so we just basically take them out, we fit them. It's been cut and layered properly on this, and so we fit them in there and plug and play in the back. And you see my wheel pants here. Those are the wheel pants, also in Aston Martin tungsten silver. Cowling, man, this cowling was the most impressive. When I first saw it, I was like, this thing is gonna look good. Now guys, I may have mentioned before in my previous video, but we're gonna have some stripes. I'm gonna go with silver, not white. Initially I wanted to do white, but I think silver would spark more on these. So it's gonna be just decals. It will go from the cowling and maybe through the fuselage here. Nothing fancy, just very simple and clean. That's the look I like. And then on this end we've got the wings. Show you one of the wings here. You see, the last time I was here, this is all I spend my time building. Guys, if you ever build a Sling TSi, this is probably what's going to take most of the time to build the wings, because there's several components to this part of the airplane. And this also is the part that gives you all that extra performance with the TSi compared to the previous generation, because this wing was redesigned by the designer of this aircraft. So we spent a lot of time building this, and shout out to Dylan that really held my hand in putting this together. You see all the wiring, all the harnesses, also supplied by Midwest Panels. Those are already in. All our fuel tube, also pitot stuff, all in. So that's the wing there. Now, and actually before I speak on the spray, here is one of the doors. You see also painted. So things are looking good. So the next step, what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna make sure I get this done also while I'm here, is we're gonna spray down the plane with anti-corrosion solution. A lot of you have been asking about this, and I've mentioned over and over again what the process is. So we're gonna spray it down. We needed to paint the airplane first. That's why it wasn't done yet, because I know a lot of people were asking about it. So now that the plane is done, all of it is dry, we're gonna spray it down with anti-corrosion, and once that happens, literally the entire interior of the airplane is in this box here, and so all of that will be fitted in. And just to give you an example, I already showed you some of what's going in there, and you can see here, actually this is the frames for the seats. You can see we painted those black, and so that's for the back seat there. This is for the front, and so it's going to be an all black interior. And just to give you an example, if you recall, when the side panels first came, those were not black. This was in this bluish color, and so we painted those black, basically black leather vinyl, and now it's black. So we fitted that in, and then it's also going to go all the way in. And if you look at the top here, you see that this is also black. So that's the look we're going for. Black interior, some orange is going to be there, as you'll see in the seats. The seats have orange stitchings on it, so it's going to be black and orange in the interior. So that's what we have so far. And so once we spray it down, the interior will be installed, and then we're going to put the panel back, and it's going to basically transition to testing phase. And like I said, Gino has been working day and night to make sure this beast of an engine will do its thing. So that's what we have so far, guys. I'm here for, this is gonna be the longest day I'm gonna be here, because I want to make sure that this airplane is taxiing before I leave, and also I'm gonna be getting some flying done to be able to transition into this safely. Okay, and I'll keep you guys posted. As you see, they're building another sling here, so it's pretty busy here. So I'll keep you guys posted on everything. I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And guys, I want to say a big thank you for everyone who took money and donated to my build assist through GoFundMe. Thank you so much. You didn't have to. I didn't even know. I had no idea how successful the campaign would be. It was just an idea, and a lot of you did, and I'm very grateful, because that money really went towards helping pay for the build assist here. And so I want to thank you all so much. I really appreciate it. And you see, the plane is coming along. I didn't just take some money and did nothing with it. So a lot has gone into this, and I'm greatly appreciative of everyone who supported it. Okay, so this is the update, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. I'm making videos constantly, okay? Make sure you subscribe with the notification bell on. And also, you can join the MVP membership on mojogrip.net/MVP. Again, I appreciate everyone supporting what I do, and I hope to bring you all more videos, guys. Thank you, and I will catch you on the next video. Today's video is brought to you by CoFlight. CoFlight is perhaps the most important tool that you need for your aircraft maintenance. Think of it as a one-stop shop to schedule your maintenance, coordinate with your AP mechanic, and keep proper records of everything. CoFlight also has some cool features like keeping digital records of your logbook and a built-in scheduler for multiple partners who may share the same aircraft. The best part about CoFlight is that everything is done by the tip of your fingers. You can get started using CoFlight today absolutely free. When you use the coupon code MojoGrip, you can get started today for 30 days absolutely free. Check out coflight.com or use the link in the description below.